When it comes to managing your freelancing business, you need software that's not only powerful, but also flexible. FreeAgent versus Wave, which is more flexible for freelancers? This is the big question, and in this video, I'll break down the differences to help you choose which one best fits your needs. Stick around until the end, because I'll reveal a better option that could save you time and headaches in your freelancing journey. Let's start with FreeAgent. It's packed with features aimed specifically at freelancers. The dashboard is clean and easy to navigate, and it offers time tracking, expense management, invoicing, and project tracking. But what's really great about FreeAgent is its tax features. It makes tax calculations for UK freelancers incredibly simple, but for anyone outside the UK, these features aren't as useful. So, if you're a freelancer in the US, it's not as tax-friendly. And while it's user-friendly, it's not the cheapest option, especially for small freelancers just starting out. Next thing, let's talk about Wave. Wave is completely free to use for most of its core features like invoicing, accounting, and receipt scanning. The software allows you to manage income and expenses easily, making it a solid option if you're on a budget. It's incredibly flexible in terms of integrations with other tools like PayPal and Stripe, but the downside? It's missing some key features freelancers might need, like advanced time tracking and project management. Plus, the support isn't as responsive as some would like, which can be frustrating when you're trying to solve problems on the fly. The fourth thing I want to highlight is the mobile apps. FreeAgent has solid mobile apps for iOS and Android. The mobile experience is similar to the desktop version, so you can track time, send invoices, and manage your finances while on the go. Wave, on the other hand, offers a basic mobile experience. It's not bad, but it doesn't offer the same level of functionality as FreeAgent, and it's a bit more limiting if you rely heavily on mobile. Another thing to consider is the customization. FreeAgent allows for a good amount of customization with your invoices, recurring payments, and even tax categories. This can make it feel more tailored to your needs. Wave, while solid, doesn't offer the same flexibility and customization. You get what you see with Wave, and that's great for simplicity, but not as great if you want to make your financial management truly your own. Now, let's talk integrations. FreeAgent integrates with quite a few third-party tools, including payment processors, time trackers, and even CRM software. However, not all integrations are free, and depending on what you need, that could be a deal breaker for some. Wave also offers solid integrations with PayPal, Stripe, and other tools, but like FreeAgent, some features are behind a paywall. It's important to note that neither platform offers as wide a range of integrations as some competitors. So, which one is more flexible for freelancers? If you want the complete package and don't mind paying a bit more for tax support, FreeAgent could be your best bet. But if you're a freelancer on a tight budget who just needs basic invoicing and accounting features, Wave could be a good fit. But here's the thing, after trying both of these platforms myself, I found a better alternative that combines the best of both worlds. It's got the flexibility you need, the integrations, and it's much more affordable in the long run. If you want to discover the best option for freelancers, take advantage of the free trial available through the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that are only available to viewers like you. Thanks for watching, and if you want to make your freelancing business easier and more efficient, check out the link in the description for a solution that's better than both FreeAgent and Wave.